guys, Ultimate Times 1 here with a Skylanders Spies Adventure unboxing review. And these have just come in the post. Lightning Rod and Zuck. And I'll be doing him next review. So just put him, and this is Lightning Rod. Oops. An air element who looks a bit like Zeus. See, I've already opened that, so I can get it open. Like back, this lightning rod there, nice picture. Sorry I haven't done a review in a while. It's just because I've been away and stuff like that. So there's lightning rod, sonic boom, and whirlwind, and the final one, tornado. There's just a bit about the game. So let's get him unpackaged. Oh yes, sorry, and a nice picture up there with him. I open it. If I can get it. Okay, wait a minute. Wait, sorry about this. You can just go on and skip this. Oh, sorry guys. Oh, I can get him open because I just had to do a bit of cutting. Hopefully I can open it. Yeah. Oh, Dumbo. He's come out in the packaging. He's lining rod there. There is his stickers. I didn't get that open very good, so I'll just do lightning rod. His character now for this bit. Lightning rod looks a bit like Zeus, and is very cool figure. His air element, and this air thing is like part of him. I'll go get another air element. I'm back with whirlwind. That's who what it normally stands on, Skylander, but this time this is part of him. It's a nice shiny skin with a nice rod of lightning, and like his eye expressions, his six-pack there, and the sign. Don't know if you can see that, but his nice, like, fluffy hair, his beard and moustache. What I must say is quite different, the colour from his hair is a bit dark, but this bit's a bit lighter. I don't know if you can see, but I can. And his nose, nice, really nice detail, and his like bands. So there. Quickly get these out if I can. This one's been packaged very well. His card there. He's evenly matched out in the 60s and 65s. Nice picture of him there. And his card there, lightning rods, and his stickers there. Right. So I hope you've enjoyed this review on Lightning Rod. So, thanks for watching. Ultimate Times 1 signing out. Peace.